So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. This is search button to click and then enter your model number of motherboard H610M HV3 DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard. Click on subject. Click on support. So select first operating system, which is you require Windows 10 11, but Windows 10 11 installations process same. Okay, you can see this video of the Windows installations 11 installations of the driver, so you can install in the Windows 10. Okay, so audio driver, and this is size. Click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. I already downloaded, you can see here. Just single click to open and double click to extract this. So now this is first copy to driver your system, then after that extract, and after that install, and then require to administrator rights to installations. Now this is installing. So it is closed, means this is installed. Chipset, enter the driver and click to download. Same, this is already downloaded. Just after downloaded, just like open it and double click to launch. Then click on yes after start installations, and it will close automatically. And this is closed, means this is installed, and then close it. Then scroll down, Intel NF installations, so click on download. So it is start downloading. After that, open and double click to launch, and then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. Yeah, so wait for close, it will close automatically. This is installed. So it is close automatically, means this is install and close it. Line driver, So this is land drive and click to download. You can see this after download, you can see this is start downloading. I already downloaded. You just open it and double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. It is closed means this is installed, and then close it. Then last VGA. So this is graphic card driver and click to download. It is start downloading. And I already downloaded. You can see this is 760. Just open it and double click to launch. So first this is copy, after that extract, and after that install. Then click on yes. Then click on again yes. Now this is extracting. So now this is installing. It will close automatic means this is installed. So it is closed means this is installed. Then close it.